Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today we are doing some opening of some friend mail. The package I have right here is from the beautiful Erica Mullins. I think you will have already seen a video where I opened some things from Gina Stanley, who is also on YouTube, and that is her aunt. They are beautiful people, amazing people. I'm so fortunate to have them as part of my life, and yeah, we all do this thing where we kind of gather up stuff and we ship it back and forth to each other, and it's fun. It's fun. So yeah, let's open it up. Erica gets she is the type of person that when she knows what you love, you know, the things you like, I mean, she goes on a hunt. And when she finds things, she's so excited about it. She's like, it's like she wants to tell you. And I'm like, Erica, you know, she's just so sweet to me. She's been very, very, just very kind to me. And I love her. Amazing. Amazing mother, amazing wife, you know. She has some medical issues herself. You know, we relate through that. And so does Gina. They are just fighters, you know. Fighters, they inspire you to do great things. So at least they inspire the shit out of me. Erica has locked this box up like Fort Knox. Erica, who'd you think was going to get in it? She's probably trying to lock out COVID. Okay. So this is, oh my goodness. This is... Alright, this is going to be a long one because Erica loves to send me all these little things. And I so enjoy, you know, just love, I just love it. Oh my gosh, Erica. Alright, so she got me some veggie snacks. She's got a little note on here with stickers. It's very common for Erica that, I mean, it's just what she does. It's 2AT, I can promise you that. And it said birthday snacks. So she got me some veggie sea salt. And yeah, it was my birthday. Like, it was recently my birthday. They are so sweet to me. Oh my gosh. And then some Peeps jelly beans. Because I have talked about my love and affection for a Peep. I love a Peep. Who doesn't love a Peep? Oh wow. I haven't seen these before, Erica. It's vanilla sugar and raspberry face wipes. Always need face wipes. And then some Happy Hoppers from Haribo. These are just wonderful gummies. I was introduced to them when I went to Germany many years ago. No, Erica, no. Oh, look at these. These are just clips for my bags of goodies. But Erica, I see something in there. That child, she knows me. Beautiful. I love you, Erica. I love you. And yes, you are part of my family. You are definitely part of my family. You're like a sister to me. I'm lucky I'm very lucky our paths crossed. That's all I'll say about that. Erica is amazing, and she has found this magic eraser in leopard. Now, I live for the magic eraser. And Erica has found it in leopard. If you don't know, I love leopard. See? Erica, that's a good one. That is a good one. See? See what I'm talking about? She finds these little things. Wonder Woman Pez. I'm going to have to hide this from my husband, Erica. He's going to try and take it away from me. He loves the Pez dispenser. This girl, I'm telling you what. She She just, there's stuff all over this thing. It's little stickers, little elephant stickers. I'm going to take these to work. Oh, look at that. That's a new brow stuff from Revlon. I have to try this. So, like, I was on a streak there in my videos. I'm like, I have to buy some brow products. I can't believe I don't have any brow products. I have to buy some brow products. This is definitely from Erica listening to me. I love you, sweetie. Thank you. And I am not particular about my brow products. I just need them. I need them. What a precious, precious child. She has sent me this thing of headbands. Because I am growing my hair out, and she knows it. And as you can see, I've always got a headband on. So she gave me this one with pearls on it. It's fabulous. I don't have any with any, like, little embellishments on them. And then, oh, look at that. Erica, I just got a dress with this pattern on it in purple. You know that. That's probably why I have this right now. Crazy girl. And then she got me this one. She was telling me about it. It's kind of like a replica of a Gucci. That's the Gucci stripe and stuff. So I can't wait to wear it. I have some beautiful red and green dresses that will go perfect with. And oh my God, Erica! I swear, Erica sent me some pineapple socks. I love the pineapples too. Dang you, girl. She got it. She is just nailing it. Oh my goodness. And then she sent me a little little lemon leggings. Oh, goodness gracious. So I do have a thing for pineapples. It's a Virginia thing. It's a colonial thing. And I also love lemons. I have a lot of things with lemons on it. And then she sent me a t-shirt. Oh, that's perfect. Awesome moms have tattoos and pit bulls. Thank you so much, Erica. I love it. I love everything. And I'm only looking through this because she will hide things in here. Oh, I really do. I love it so much. So much. I might even have to put this on. I love it. I love it. Erica, thank you so much. You are just so beautiful and kind, and I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I mean, just always, you know me, girl. You absolutely know me. I love you to death, and there would not anything in the world I wouldn't do for you. Yeah, beautiful friend, and I'm so glad I have you. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Please go check out these ladies' channels. They are fabulous. And I will link Erica's and Gina's in here, as well as in Gina's friend mail. I will link both as well. I'm super excited. I might go put on my lemons and my pit bulls. All right, everybody. I love you. Mwah.